Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with the pink smoky eye. I've been wanting to do a pink smoky eye tutorial for the longest. I don't know why it's taking me so long to record this video, but I finally got it done for you guys, so make sure you go ahead and keep watching. So I think I'm just gonna freestyle today. Well, actually I think I'm trying to see if I want to do burgundy or pink. I think I want to do burgundy just because it's fall. Instead of using a base, I think I'm just gonna grab some lipstick. This is in the shade Prime from ColourPop. Oh my god, this smell. I've had this for a minute. This may not be safe. I don't even know how to explain what it smells like. I'm still finna use it. We're just gonna hope it don't stain my eyes or break me out. I was trying to see if I should have maybe used the base first, but I think it'll just mix, so maybe I shouldn't. I don't know, I think I might try pink instead. I actually do need to grab a base now, since I'm gonna do pink instead. I'm gonna just take my Louise base in the shade number 5, since it's what's closest to me. I still don't know what palette I want to use yet. I'm going into my Masquerade mini, and I'm going to be putting this shade right here all over my lids. But you always want to make sure you go like this and get rid of any creases you might have in your lid from your base. So basically make sure your base is smooth first. My camera low-key is making this look way more neon than it really is. I need to play with my settings some more. I've just been scared to touch them because it took me so long to get them set to where it looked good. But this is like the first time I feel like my eyeshadow looks different on camera than it actually does. Like, it looks really neon. At least on mine. Maybe it's just my computer screen, but it looks really, really neon. It doesn't look like that in person. It looks more like a fuchsia pink in person. And if y'all had this palette, y'all know what it looks like. Now let me grab an M506. My computer is so loud. I'm gonna dip some more into the same color, but this time I'm just gonna knock some of the extra color off, and then blend. Yeah, I really miss my makeup friends. Like, when I first started YouTube, not first, but like when I was like, what was this, maybe like a year ago, I feel like I had a ton of makeup friends on YouTube that I talked to. Like, they all had my number and stuff, but now it's like none of them, I don't really communicate with any of them anymore. And it's not, I don't know, it's partially my fault, I guess, because I haven't really reached out to them, but they ain't reached out to me either. Like, I know everybody got their own stuff going on, but I don't know, I just thought about it and I'm kind of sad about it. Maybe I should reach out to them because I miss y'all. So that's pretty much all we're gonna do to our lids. I'm gonna find a lash to put on. I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect mascara. I'm also weird. I do one eye at a time because I like to apply my mascara. I mean my lash while my mascara is still wet, and I just put the glue on the wrong eye. I mean glue on the wrong lash. I think I'm gonna speed through me doing my face because I've done my face so many times, but at the same time I kind of like doing my face. So I don't know, I'm gonna do it, but I'm not gonna like go into detail about it because I have so many other videos of me, you know, just going in detail about it. Somebody asked me to do a foundation haul, or a foundation collection right there, not a haul. And that's something I never thought about doing. So we're gonna move on to my face. My new favorite primer is the Marc Jacobs Undercover Primer. Somebody was just telling me about Too Faced and how they, I don't know, I need to go watch what she sent me. She sent me an ad by them with their matte, was it the matte concealers or something? And they didn't have like any women of color on their ad. But y'all know this, I thought was a collab with Jackie Aina. I don't know if the matte ones were part of the collab or not. I feel like it's always my favorite brands that always end up playing with women of color. Like, why is y'all doing it? And yeah, I bought the Juvia's place. If y'all didn't see my haul video, then I'm gonna link it up in the card. But I bought the Juvia's place foundation brush, and it's like, I washed mine and it didn't get completely clean for some reason. So I was like, I don't even want to use it no more. I mean, I'm gonna use it because I bought it, but yeah, I've been trying to avoid putting makeup in my hair. So if y'all could tell I didn't get too close to my lace with the makeup, then I'm sorry, but y'all do as you please with y'all makeup. I'm gonna take some of that same pink and smoke it out underneath my lashes, my bottom lashes. But I think I'm gonna add some eyeliner real quick. Alright, you guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this look, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in my next one.